Downsound Entertainment presents Freedom Street Vybz Kartel Live Concert, set for the National Stadium on December 31st, 2024. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome back. The wait is over after 14 long years. The World Boss is back and ready to set the stage ablaze. The countdown has begun to the most anticipated event in dancehall history, Vybz Kartel live concert in Kingston, Jamaica. And guess what? It's not just making history, it's redefining it. Vybz Kartel will be live in Kingston, Jamaica on December 31 at the National Stadium. Fans are getting ready for the biggest and most epic showdown the country has ever seen. The wait is finally over for the undisputed king of the dancehall, Vybz Kartel, as he's set to make his triumphant return to the stage in a historic concert titled Freedom Street. The highly anticipated event will be held at the National Stadium in Kingston on Tuesday, December 31st, making it the first Kartel live performance since his release from prison. Fans can secure their places in history as tickets go on sale at 3 a.m. on August 31st, 2024. Tickets can be purchased online. The tiers that will be on sale include bleachers, grandstand, infield, and also center stage. This event promises to be an electrifying one according to the organizers, and it's going to be a night that will go down in dancehall history. Physical locations for the ticket will be announced at a later date. Since his release from prison, Vybz Kartel has been taking the time to catch up on lost moments with his family.
I'm on the orange juice. Oh God. But they are sip too. How are you drink Chayim? Red pea soup, man, right, eh? Chayim, where you can soup? Chicken burger. Amen. Where your food there?
It's not here.
Oh, it's gone for?
The niggas ran up with my food.
That one, it's so forward, buddy. You hear that? I say strip set, man. You hear that, dog? Oh, I'm out. People, how are this? Yeah, 2024. My father just showed me it. It's not even pull. See if I watch that. You know I tell you, bro? Yo. You know I tell you, active out there, you know? Yo. Oh, I'm out. Dance time, how about that?
Nice, street vibes on the original red rum.
You know tell you, man?
Gosh, my G.
Yeah, man.
People, Gaza Nation.
Yeah, man.
Free.
I'm out. You are going now. See all of the bad band people them. I know what I want. Hungry and hungry. I left for food with you know. You don't know. Can't deal with the wicked and although the bad mind and corrupt you know. Left a piece of food with you know. See? As a nation, I have to tell you now what I'm going. My fiancé is pregnant right now. But the bad mind people, them carry the belly. People, this look like a regular rock. But it's not. This is a volcanic rock. You send the lava flow to the volcano. And after about 2 days, when it hard up, it make the crystal looking something. Yeah. So
where you pick this up? Where you pick this up?
at the top of the volcano.
Okay. How long it take you to get up there?
Well, 2 hours for go up and 3.5 hours for come down because I'm tired. You see me wifey come down. Yeah. So you see them. Yeah, man.
Years before you get ever see anything like this
Again, alright. You're not going to see the volcano in Europe again. And we're there with Marlon Samuel the Great. Iconic. Super trainer Bubble. Him a kill me off people. See him co-conspirator, yeah. Isaac Buchanan. But yeah, man. As I usually say before I end the video, what they under your nose? I'm out.
A lot of people used to say, Saddam's an idiot, watch her, Kartel's not coming out of prison, she's so foolish just watching me from the sidelines, only for us to be here right now, together.
Yeah, baby. No long me not travel private. I bad miss. Our world, you know, man. Let's say badness there, you know. No? Oh. That's my baby right there. You heard? John Gaza Nation. After 12 years, back above the clouds, you know? Sky life. My life badness. No?
You just love driving.
I know that you'll make you smile, man. $1 for you guy, no, man. Yeah, man, in a Chinese place of Niagara. Yeah, man, that's a thing there. Sweden. I mean, big up the Swedes. That's a thing there. I mean. But yeah, people. You know where badness go. Blood clot, me get a fitted a while ago. In a white t-shirt, we did it. People are who this?
That's easy, no my dad.
Easy a bumbo clot.
One world boss.
Oh, you mean you know that? You know want to go on camera, but me see you on camera dance all the TikTok song go?
Could I do that?
Oh, the TikTok song go?
Oh, yeah, your style not about it. Oh, yeah, did that so? Me plus you.
Blood, nah, the dog just pick up in passport.
Mad thing, man, my dad.
So you know a plain badness and not a rash boat. What kind of mustache that them a put on me?
No joke.
Blood clot.
No
What's Siva there?
I can't see how long. Siva there everything.
But Siva never under the blue car we park right there, so where him gone?
Oh.
Call him. Find out where him gone.
Blue a little more.
Yeah. Free to the world. You mean?
Free to me.
Somalia, big up Somalia. Or Somalia. See me Dalia. Colombia, big up the Colombian them. You don't know about this, because remember Kartel my name, you know. I will get the name from the Colombian. Viva Colombia. Yeah, man, I just say badness. Big up the Romanian them to me so no. Yeah, man. Yeah, big up yourself. Somebody say, welcome home, world boss. Big up. Yeah, big up the Somalis. You know anything go. Guinea-Bissau, I say it pronounce?
I don't know.
Big up Guinea-Bissau. Boy, if me I pronounce it wrong, send me the correction now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I just say badness there, man. Gambia again. Gambia, you know where badness go. How was that one fitted? In a white t-shirt, we did it. Hartford, Connecticut. You know how much years me no DJ there, so? There's so cold too, you know, coming like a freezer. But me I link on when me get back my visa. Jane Finch, one Toronto. Yeah, man, big up me Asian friend them, man. South Pass, say. Yo, Siva. Just ask you, you know. Bad brother. Just ask you, hold on there. My bad brother Siva, yeah.
Up to the time.
What you mean?
You know that.
So here we are going now, people. I jump out of my vehicle. Yeah. Because Siva depend context matters.
That is it.
And that's how we are forward right now. So
that.
may I start back the life. I want them to cut it off and make it stay. 24,000 people.
Sick, let them go and save my G.
Don't cut it off. No. Alright, me I go walk out.
Let them go and sing.
Not like the girl liquid song.
No, no.
Just a walk out. You don't have to come with me, baby. You never want forward.
Remember, I was gonna go film.
Where you go? You go shopping, babes?
Yeah, I was gonna get my hair stuff.
Damn, I'm gonna miss you, baby.
Oh, I know we haven't been this far from each other.
Not true, man. Jono. I miss you already.
So me I say.
Send me yourself to the time.
Oh, I could do that. AR-15.
Silence then about the target scene. Bumbuckler. Yo, give them the bumbuckler where they do when the rain start.
Bomber class.
Paper. Yeah, man, I want see them, man, and I two hear that. The badness go, we eat that, man, and I eat that. Babes, before you go, you know what you gotta do? Kiss me, baby. Alright. That's a thing there. No?
Kiss me, baby.
Oh. Oh, the song, yeah, no, I'm not drop the song yet. Them have to go and wait. You know
I'll wait,
thing go?
I'll wait.
Yeah, man, them have to go and wait.
Oh, my baby's
Babes.
not leaving me.
Just be careful, pan. What kind of mustache am I put pan you? Not trying to be, I'm not say nothing. 26K.
Look, hold on, let that go. 1.4 million gifts.
Well, I don't even know what I need a gift, you know, but that's when I decide I am a thing stiff.
I'm a gift.
Yes, baby, you're
I'm
present.
the biggest gift. It don't matter how many gifts you got there.
Yes, baby, you're my present.
I'm the gift for life.
Yes, baby.
Alive.
If not, maybe.
You
Alright, me I
love
roll out
me.
with the thugs, them, you know.
Yeah.
See them?
Me, I roll with myself.
Yeah, just be careful on the road, yeah? Don't break no traffic light.
No.
Understand? Don't break the speed limit, innit?
Never.
Alright.
Never that.
Me a lip kiss there. Come on, baby. Kiss me, baby. That's the thing there. Now draw my lips a babe. Why?
My favourite lips.
I know. Claire. Georgia.
My baby don't want
That
it.
one in Eastern Europe, that. That's the thing there. South London. No, man. You know South London, I'm a place, man. Brixton, man. You talk about, man. Peckham. You know where badness go. Northampton. St. Martin. Which side? The Dutch side or the French side? People, I want to tell them me jump on the live because Sean Starmer forward on context matters. That a ISAC Buchanan program. So I think it start already, but it not reach our part, but it start. Yeah, man, I want Waterford, man. You know I'm a place that. You hear that? One Waterford, one Portmore. No badness go. Yo, Gambia in a building. You mean? That's the thing there. Yeah, man, Sean Storm, man. New name for loyalty, you know?
And mine.
I have a dictionary, you know. Because we don't deal with dictionary. So I have a dictionary where if you look on the loyalty, you see Sean Storm and you see them. If you look on the annoying, you will also see them. Right?
No.
You know, baby. Don't flap me up on the big TikTok.
I'm not annoying.
You are annoying, babe.
I'm loving.
Kiss me. If you're annoying. Got ya. Yeah, that's the thing there. God's the forever. Yeah, man, you know, badness go, man. A one world boss, see the man. Well, them people you make me a speed read. What you mean? Miss Fancy sent reggae land. And hi guys to see you. Well, on, so all TikTok something they move so fast. We can't ever get to read.
Not everyone has as many watchers like you. If you didn't have as many people watching, you wouldn't be having that fast thing.
One Green Chill. Me a drive in from Green Chill with a pound of the marijuana. That's the thing there. Thank you, baby. Kimon, are you that? Another Kimon that way that do me too a while ago up at Jen here. Big up Nate, whole Spain town. No, we no race clown. More beer, no fear them, no dear. Kartel, what you know about me? Bend down low, make me tell you what me know, make me tell you what me know when you bend down low. I need to have you on. Big me up, I'm going to big you up and you're not putting a name. Yeah, you should have shame. Damn, Uganda in the building.
Big up.
Gambia in the building also. Kenya. Holy heap of art. You know me loving it from the start. Oh, bed. Bellies. Yeah, man, me a forward the bellies in the next. When we say we have got
I think
bellies?
it's like in 2 weeks.
About 2 or 3 weeks we are forward the bellies. Go up on a little vacation with my bae. Ellie. An elephant then. No, I say Ellie.
Ah.
Oh, there's something there. Something explode like.
I have
You know,
no
New Year's Day. They need the blood clot this.
fireworks.
Baby, you're fireworks. When I'm coming to
fireworks. Someone said it.
I see it. When I'm coming to perform in land that seat there again. Katy Perry man, firework. Somebody said big up Iraq. What you mean? Big up me Iraqi friend them. A man said not you singing firework. Jaja. Yeah, no. Nardos. Big up Nardos at Grange. Yes, Guyana, I'm forwarding soon. Canada. Boy, Canada too cold, yeah, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah, man. Big up the French, man. See that, baby. Oh, she?
Who what?
Kenya. What a Togo. Yeah, man. Remember Gaza for the pound the logo. Whole Harbor. Costa Rica. Yeah, me have to represent for Costa Rica. Yeah, man. Big up me Latino and me Latina virgin them a Costa Rica. You understand? Nah,
Yeah,
left for me like how me left Costa Rica. We know that it'll make you smile. Can I say hi, Malke? Yeah, good evening, on. Who that? Just see a girl say, kiss me, baby. Oh. How that over my head?
Oh, that over your head.
Yo. TikTok. Hi from the Netherlands. Big up the Dutch. You know, automatic we drive it, not on a clutch. Sing for us one song. Send for me one nude. How about that? There's a thing there. A man say bomba clad. When him say BBC, nobody think of the channel in your country. But they now watch BBC.
Not even the UK.
Well, I guess so. Shout out Luton. Big up Luton. Birmingham. London. Remember me now, London. Up to the time. Just see somebody say Guyana. Why Guyana people have it say me now come a Guyana? And Guyana one of the country that I love. Big up the Guyanese. Remember me and you closer than Siamese. Kenya. Oh, you know Kenya I'm a place, man. Kenya, Ghana, Gambia. You know them thing they go. Blood clot, see somebody say Wales. You know, we burn everything with scales. Big up Wales. There's a thing there. Brooklyn in the house.
What that over your head?
Yeah, I say Dubai. Dubai. Liverpool. You know, our best football team that. Hey, nobody true where they on the Sierra in a Man U jersey.
Man all the way.
I want to her.
Do that. Don't show for 10 minutes. Decline.
Yeah, as I made I say, where do you see now Man U jersey?
Man U all the way.
We no deal with Man U. And Liverpool, the badness there. You see me? Yeah, big up France. Me just see a girl from France.
Big up the Kurds.
The Kurds?
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not going to see it there, so I put it there.
Never walk alone, how you mean? How you mean? Better Belize, Suriname, Amsterdam. Oh, they say them the Amsterdam. Kenya, Malawi, Ghana, Montserrat, Gambia. They say I think them is the France again. They got the French. Which teddy bear that? Wifey bear. Derby County. Yeah, 90s badness. This man from 90s Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is. I mean, Kartel. I don't know what that means. Senegal. Remember, no, me a one burner now. One time he'd have many gal.
Oh.
Oh. Big up Guadeloupe. Merci beaucoup. Big up France, Nigeria there, North London. That our Tottenham.
And mine.
St. Lucia in the building. You know them play. Bangladesh, big up. Me know you're gonna look for me when they say Bangladesh. People, if I ever tell you why she look for me when me say big up Bangladesh. God, like, kill she want kill me and go to prison go look through mesh.
He knows me too well.
Big up 80. Uganda.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Kenya, you know the badness go. Atlanta, Georgia. Guyana, Suriname. Martinique. Big up Martinique. Oh, big up Trinidad, you know, aka Trinidad, you know. I mean, that's the thing there. Can I say hi, Malke? Yeah, good evening, on. Who that? Just see a girl say, kiss me, baby. Oh. Oh, that over my head.
Oh, that over your head.
Yo. TikTok. Hi from the Netherlands. Big up the Dutch. You know, automatic we drive it, not on a clutch. Sing for us one song. Send for me one nude. How about that? That's the thing there. A man say bomba clad. When him say BBC, nobody think of the channel in your country. But they now watch BBC.
Not even the UK.
Well, I guess so. Shout out Luton. Big up Luton. Birmingham, London. Remember me now, London. Up to the time, just see somebody say Guyana. Why Guyana people have it say me now come a Guyana? And Guyana one of the countries that I love. Big up the Guyanese. Remember me and you closer than Siamese. Kenya. Oh, you know Kenya, I'm a place, man. Kenya, Ghana, Gambia. You know them thing they go. Blood clam, see somebody say Wales. You know, we burn everything with scales. Big up Wales. There's a thing there. Brooklyn in the house.
What that over your head?
Yeah, I say Dubai. Dubai. Liverpool. You know, our best football team that. Hey, nobody true where they on the Sierra in a Man U jersey.
Man U all the way.
I want to her.
Do that. Don't show for 10 minutes. Decline.
Yeah, as I made say, where do you see now Man U jersey?
Manu all the way.
We not deal with Manu. I Liverpool, the badness there. You see me? Yeah, big up France. Me just see a girl from France.
Big up the Kurds.
The Kurds?
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not going to see it there, so I put it there.
Never walk alone, how you mean? How you mean? Better Belize, Suriname, Amsterdam. Oh, they say them the Amsterdam. Kenya, Malawi, Ghana, Montserrat, Gambia. They say I think them is the France again. They got the French. Which teddy bear that? Wifey bear. Derby County. Yeah, 90s badness. This man from 90s Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is. I mean, Kartel. I don't know what that means. Senegal. Remember, no, me a one burner now. One time he'd have many gal.
Oh.
Oh. Big up Guadeloupe. Merci beaucoup. Big up France, Nigeria there, North London. That our Tottenham.
And mine.
St. Lucia in the building. You know them play. Bangladesh, big up. Me know you're gonna look for me when they say Bangladesh. People, if I ever tell you why she look for me when me say big up Bangladesh. God, like, kill she want kill me and go to prison go look through mesh.
He knows me too well.
Big up 80. Uganda.
Yeah.
Yeah man, Kenya, you know the badness go. Atlanta, Georgia. Guyana, Suriname. Martinique. Big up Martinique. Oh, big up Trinidad, you know, aka Trinidad, you know.
Much better. Go on.
I mean, that's the thing there.
You know, some day a while ago I drive with my fiance. We're pretty like Beyonce. And Scatter called me. And I said, teacher, I want a name for the show. And I say, you know, so where I get the fans them involved, because the problem here I got easier to solve. So, me I link up right now, Gaza Nation, and I said to him, say, me, Scatter, and Joe, we need a name for the December show. So just put an idea in the comments below. Duh?
Oh.
You want the patient to sit?
Okay. Now yes.
Ready?
Jain,
Yeah, man.
fully active.
Fully active.
What you man Cartier, man? Cartier meet Rolex in a daddy. That's it there. Pussy. I'm out.
Yeah.
Watch my daughter told me now. You call her butler? So me a show for me a butler.
We're very right.
Don't forget.
Hey guys, it's Addy and
Addy.
so guys, right now we're on the road. We have some errands to run, so that's what we're gonna do.
But before we go, may I tell my daughter say the Android, because this is our S24. May I tell her say the Android camera quality better than the iPhone camera quality. Which iPhone you have, baby?
15 plus, and this is definitely better.
Alright.
No shade.
Tell me in the comment section, yeah? I'm out.
I got shut down.
Some man say them a galleys and no woman now press them clothes. You see? This is one of the benefits of being a one burner. Dog?
Oh.
Babe, I'm a box down your blood clot, man.
No, box your blood.
No?
Oh.
Yeah, squeeze
That
it.
video?
No. Yeah.
You feel like God go with you. So me I say, pick up yourself, baby. It's me, baby.
Yeah.
Come to TikTok live. How do I come out of the live?
Probably that. And now, yeah.
So you know how to do it. So am I live?
Yes, baby. You look the joining now.
I thought it would join right there.
You look the 7.
Okay.
98.
The fuck? Yeah, man, it's a life, man. It's in a overdrive. I just leave it down. So them can't hear me?
Yeah, they do. They're gonna join.
TikTok live. One done in overdrive. No it go. You see me I say? Yeah man. Yeah man, Gaza Nation. We out here. Amen.
We're getting loads of gifts.
Big up to the fans. Big up to Gaza citizen. What you mean? That's a thing there. John, what you mean?
Must be right. Oh, what's it?
Wrong foot.
Oh, so I just say it works so them can see me.
They can see and hear you. They should be able to hear you.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I think the volume. Yeah.
I'm sure they'll answer if they can hear us.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, look, you got gifts. You got 19, 10, what is it?
What does that mean?
So look, they're gifting you, so you're getting gifts.
So what that over my head? That?
That there. Oh, they, oh.
Yeah, them looking something there.
Oh, they can like join your team. Like they.
Okay.
But I don't know about live reading. I just know basics.
Bless up in a Gaza Nation. I don't know, you know. My first live, you know. I just test it out. Just test me and test it. Don't know in a few minutes me I go rest it. And then a later date me address it. Yeah, man? Yes, it. Hold on.
You gonna come up for it?
Yeah. Hold on.
Everything I mean cause it.
Let me see if that's cute, because you like to pick cute stuff for yourself and ugly stuff for me.
Oh, please.
Oh, that's cute. Daddy, is me a video in?
No?
Daddy, make sure that don't look ugly.
Yeah, people. Just finished my morning workout, you know. Good half hour and thing, you know. Can't too overdo it yet. If you take it in stride. You know we say fitness and family, though. Yeah, man, God is the greatest.
Okay. How will I do? How about that?
Scotch bonnet.
Oh, yeah, put it in a chicken. So that can taste good. Scotch bonnet sauce and a chicken. Yeah, I laugh, boy. I know you know good things.
You're one of them.
Yeah, one of them. You know that.
And you that.
I mean that. I mean know good things too, though. You know good things come in small packages. So your juice there, apart from me.
Usually tell me don't drink Pepsi while I'm eating.
You tell you to drink Pepsi none at all. The fuck? Come talk about while I'm eating.
Don't fill up my belly.
Pepsi fill up your belly. That's why you don't have to drink it. And me alone to fill up your belly. I'm out. Got it up?
Video.
The video. Right now, little man.
People, remember, you know, Brando the ink surgeon with the surgeon. See them, make them see it. One. Oh, and a two. One Brando. What do you mean? Look here. Freedom Street. Freedom Street. One Gaza Nation. One Brando. Ink surgeon. Him dep on IG. Where your IG again?
Brando, the ink surgeon.
You hear that?
One word.
That is the original version. One word. Brando the ink surgeon. See there, Freedom Street. No?
Oh.
Oh.